Hi, Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Adab Jai, and Vadakkam. Greetings from Cinema Ki Baatein, History of Cinema, and from me. My name is Gauri Shankar. I'm trying to create, talk about history of cinema and legendary makers of world cinema. So this is the first maker called Akira Kurosawa I'm talking about. Please subscribe my channel and share and support, motivate me to do some more things, more research and talk about it. So I had spoke about that Akira Kurosawa, how he shifted from the school to another school. Then he become a kendo club captain. And as he settled in his new school, young Kurosawa confidence grew up, become a captain of his school of kendo club, as I told you earlier also. But 5 months after, in April 23, 1923, entered Keaka Junior High School. Within a 5 months, 1st September 1923, Tokyo and Yokohama. There is a place in Japan, Tokyo you must be knowing, Yokohama is another city, got devastated with the great Kanto earthquake. It was the biggest earthquake that time. That was the name of Kanto earthquake, in which more than 100,000 people are died in that earthquake. The same time when he was schooling in Keaka Junior High School, he got admitted in April 1923, and after 5 months around, he got that Yokohama and Tokyo got suffered with Kanto earthquake, where people died, 100,000 people are died in that time. Kurosawa was near the street when earthquake came, so he took that, he catch that street pole where he saved himself. He was standing with that, so he got saved himself. Fell telephone pole, actually telephone pole. In that time, telephone poles are there are a lot of telephone poles, because in that time 1920, 21, it was a very terrifying experience for everyone. Like in Japan, totally devastated and also. So that time, you can see in later on his films also that he's shown a lot of natural calamities, power of nature he's shown already. So that time he understand the extraordinary power of a nature, but extraordinary thing that in lie in human being also. It was here he saw the ability of fear to drive people off a course of human behavior. Especially as a witness to the massacre of Korean residents by mob of racist Tokyotis who blamed them for the earthquake. The Tokyo's, some people believe, because of this Korean residents, this happened. Earthquake has come. Everywhere there's some casteism is there, communal people are there. So that time they killed many Koreans, many Koreans. Tokyans killed many Koreans. As the dust began settled, once slowly as everything gets settled, the young Akira out to inspect the ruins of central Tokyo. His brother took him to show him all the damages happened during Kanto earthquake. So he saw a lot of corpses, charred black, half-burned corpses in the gutters, lying in the gutters, corpses floating in a river, corpses piled up in the bridge, corpses blocking off the whole street at intersections, and every manner of death possible to human being displayed by corpses. When I voluntarily looked away, my brother scolded me, Akira, look carefully now. Understand the life easily. Because life is not easy, it's a tough. So his brother, Hugo, shows him the whole Tokyo after earthquake, what is the damages happened, how the people are living, how many people have died, and how the corpses and the foods, these are things are lying on the road, in gutters, the bridges, on bridges and all. When Akira came home, he couldn't sleep for many nights. So he was just thinking, is what are the nature can damage. So that was a story till the earthquake happened in Tokyo and impact on Akira's life. Later, we'll talk about his early days and how he entered in cinemas and how the mind, how he got to go with the cinema and he thought about cinema because he was talented in drawing, painting, so he was good in that. So please guys, we are just like, share and comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Further episode we'll talk about his early career in cinema and his journey of cinema. Thank you very much.